So let's get to the screen. The screen, I'm going to try to be careful with the screen because this screen might work with other products other than these phones, so I'm going to be careful with it. And I'm probably going to sell it on eBay, hopefully, if it has any value. I know some of these screens I've seen on some computer or printers. You have like the scanner screen thing, and because it works on this other little I guess display thing, for the printer it's worth like $50, 75, and for the other digital monitor screen there, I think it's from a POS system, it's worth 300. So maybe for the phone this isn't worth much, but maybe on something else it's worth quite a bit. So unscrew this and I'll check it out, see what it is. This thing's brand new with the little screen thing and everything. You can definitely sell it as brand new. You know, take out the ribbon here, whatever. There you go, that's the part number, which I'm going to check, or at least possibly one of the part numbers. I'm definitely going to check. This might be worth quite a bit. Once I find out, I'll put it in the notes or whatever under my video and tell you guys how much it's worth. There's also this little video camera thing here. Let's open this guy up. What it's worth. Garbage. Got this little board here for the video camera, and it's all gold trim over here. It's monolithic capacitors. One of these, I forget what these little capacitors are called. There's gold all around it. Gold within the connector here, so good for you gold collectors, extractors. So that's pretty much it for that phone. So we got a little bit of cable, some peripheral boards. You know, this is the nice special thing that might be worth something, and some barely any steel. So I'm gonna do the math on all of this, put the prices at the end of the video, and find out if it's worth to just chuck it in with your scrap metal, take it apart. I'm betting on the taking it apart because it literally took maybe 10 minutes, maybe even less. I don't know how long as this video took.